Meditation is a practice that involves training the mind to focus and achieve a mentally clear and emotionally calm state. There are many different types of meditation, and the best one for you will depend on your personal preferences and goals. Here are a few ways to get started. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit where you won't be disturbed. This can be a chair, cushion, or mat on the floor. Set a timer for the desired length of your meditation session. A beginner's goal can be as simple as 5 to 10 minutes of practice. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Begin to focus on your breath, and try to pay attention to the sensation of the breath as it enters and exits your nose. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. When the timer goes off, take a moment to notice how you feel before slowly opening your eyes and returning to your day. You can try different position or styles of meditation, guided meditation, or meditation with music or nature sound. It's important to have a consistent practice. It's better to start with shorter sessions and gradually increase the duration of your practice.